the air. My anaconda don't want none unless you got buzz, hon. Boy, no. We're in Cairns, bitches.
Back where it all began.
Where we picked the troopy up from like 18 months ago. And it's still as humid as last time.
Well, it's not quite as hot as it was last time.
Not as bad as February.
It's still tropical.
Tropical, humid. Anyway, we have had a change of plans. We were meant to spend the next week and a bit waterfall hopping up, making it up to Cairns, but Breah surprised us. Yeah. She surprised us at our last campsite and was heading to Cairns, so we're like, well, let's two-step it. We got nothing else to do with our life, so may as well. Yeah, so now we're in Cairns. We're going to spend a couple of days here, but then we're going to go back down because we still want to see a heap of stuff between there. Up. So, yeah. And we're going snorkeling tomorrow. You. Probably going to Anaconda today. Sing it, doll.
Another town, another anaconda.
My anaconda don't. My anaconda don't. My anaconda don't want.
Such a dog mop.
Excited to go see Find Nemo.
I'll wake up. It's too early for us.
7:25. And we're going snorkeling. That's pretty. Hopefully we don't get crashed.
Right, you.
Yes, please.
I've got some feelings that I've kept inside. Tell me your reasons for leaving me behind. I've got something I don't need to hide. Struck by lightning, you make light. I'll keep swimming right across the sea. Won't stop dreaming of what we could be. I used to be ashamed, alone and just afraid, in misery. But I'll leave it all behind. I've got a brand new mind when you're with me. I've got something I don't need to hide. Struck by lightning, you.
Get them. You got to get them steps in.
Come on, Keel. Keep up with me. Let's go.
grateful.
So now we're heading to Mission Beach. We're doing a bit of a loopity-loopity. We just did Mila Mila, Zilly and Ellinger Falls on the like little waterfall circuit. Near...
It's kind of just like follow the tourists.
Yeah, it's busy.
And
School holidays.
Yeah.
School holidays suck. Anyway, now we're going to Mission Beach. It's a cassowary.
It's heading this way.
Our first cassowary. It's that little black dot just there.
He's headed this way though.
That's coming this way.
George won't get out of the car.
They're fucking scary.
Yeah.
Oh, the poor bugger's in the middle of the road. How pretty is Mission
proper
Beach?
pretty, eh? I like it.
She is pretty. Busy, but pretty. Look at all those chickens.
You're a dog.
They're criminals. Our first
Broke.
dodgy camp.
It's not even a dodgy camp. It's at a boat ramp.
Our first non-legitimate campsite.
There's nowhere that says you can't camp. Only you can't park.
Without a boat trailer. And we don't have a boat trailer. Anyway. Everywhere's like over $50 a night. In Mission Beach. There's no other camping, is there? Well, there's one.
No, there's no good like
Yeah.
free camps. There's just populated areas. They're shit. They just won't let you do anything.
Anyway, so we're winging it. We're sleeping at the boat ramp.
Somebody yells at us, it'll be right.
Throw them in the water.
Yeah.
Bloody ripper sunset. But this is Shift Beach boat ramp. Well, the main bit's down there. And we're up here. What's for tea tonight, criminal?
Bad rat.
Our last meal before we go to bloody jail for...
Shut up.
We survived the night, dolls.
You rubbish sleep.
It's the shit asleep ever, but it was free, so
Yeah.
no complaining.
We don't have to pay to go to sleep.
And the police drove past us. Well, they stopped, but they kept going. Anyway.
They probably felt sorry for us. They're like, look at them silly bastards sleeping on a slope, uneven, probably rolling into each other.
Anyway, it's free. Good looking limes, look at those.
What do you do with the limes, George?
With the lime and the coconut.
You drink it all up.
Which bag do you want?
Biggest.
They all? Got my limes. The downside of holding 200 litres of fuel is it takes forever to fill up.
You see these low flow things?
Yeah. There's no high flow here?
Oh, maybe a truck. There's a fine line with these though. With fill up.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think because it's kink, because of me dodgy job down here. The high flow is sort of hard to get it properly high flow. That's probably quicker on one of those.
Yeah. The joys.
Just keeps counting.
And the cost of 200 friggin' litres of fuel. Anyway. Did we spend our life savings on fuel?
Pretty well.
Pretty well. Yuckies.
Every time.
Yucky.
need it.
Anyway, if only it ran on fumes.
Just run on your farts then.
Probably.
Shit is bananas.
B-A-N-A-N-A-S, the shit is bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
See?
We got our nannies from this little stall at Innisfail. Good?
One's already gone.
We're down a nanny. Oopsies. So we're doing another loop-de-loop.
Looping around.
We're looping back to the bush. Maybe I'll insert a map here to show where we've just gone. So we've gone into like the high country to Ravenshoe in the Atherton Tablelands, back to Mission Beach, but now we're going back out to Broadwater Campground. We can do Wyndham Falls and Bahana Gorge. Yeah. Yeah. I'll insert a map because that makes no sense. But we're looping around below Cairns. This is a shit ton of it. Wow, you're huge.
I'm basically human thermomix.
Look at those tanned guns
Look
go.
at should feel my belly wiggling.
Just cooking finally.
Yeah,
And it's dessert.
that's alright. I'll cook the main.
Good consistency.
Master chef.
Bit of lime, coconut slice.
It's so delicious actually. No, I haven't even tried the rest of it.
With my lime and coconut limes. Go lick the bowl. Mr. Cuckoo. Remember, don't take that.
Far out. This is amazing.
I'm cooking.
Wow, you're preparing. I cooked.
True. Shut up.
It's a very rare thing, isn't it?
Got a jockey.
George in the kitchen.
Shut up. Fuck off, dickhead.
Call that.
What have you found for us, David?
I don't know.
David Attenborough?
But they shrink. Ready?
They look like a cat head, but they are not a cat head. Hang on.
They're
What
so
the
cool.
heck?
Coochie coochie coo. Tickle tickle. Tickle tickle.
So last Sunday we nearly killed ourselves with a, what was it, 6.4k hike. Now we're gonna go for a nearly 12k hike on this Sunday.
We'll give ourselves a week recap. In between snorkeling and other hikes.
Yeah, it's been a pussy week. Why are we doing this?
It's a dumb idea.
This is dumb. Go away. I'm in low range more. Update. We're still alive.
We're doing good.
We're doing good. The start
Now we've
was,
got away from the mud.
yeah, the start was like red sloppy clay, like gross mud that we just, the old Nikes
Yeah.
weren't
Didn't
loving
really
it.
work a treat.
Our traction control would not
Yeah.
turn on.
You're nearly on all fours.
Yeah, I was struggling. No tread on these.
Yeah.
There you go.
But it's changed like so many times, eh?
Yeah.
Coming through here.
Yeah. It's like rainforesty, but then it's like, I don't know, bushlandy.
Bushland, yeah. But
And
like the
then
dirt
it's like-
changed from slippery red clay to black slop to normal soil. Like,
Yeah, it's weird. David Attenborough, over here.
bruh.
Wait, David,
Yo.
what kind of tree are these ones? Do you reckon?
Which ones?
Any of them? Tell me
Oh.
about them.
Like some sort of eucalypt or gum.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
nice.
well, these look a bit like pine tree. Done. Yeah, it's a pine tree.
Pine tree. I reckon we might be due for some new joggers after this.
These are brand new. I've worn them like 3 times.
Oopsies.
They're expensive. What do we got here, darling?
In the depths of the forest, along the walking track, there are these hot pink leaves.
Wow.
I don't know what they are, but they're fucking cool.
Kind of looks like
They're like hot pink.
only the tips of them though.
Yeah, but it's only when they're a baby and then they like
Turn green.
turn green.
Wow, that's amazing.
The amazing qualities of the forest.
We also run up that.
So we just ran up the steep ascent because we thought, yeah, we're nearly there. Steep descent.
What goes up? Yeah.
What's this one mean?
Gefahr.
Jafar. Jafar. Jafar.
Why are pirates pirates? Because they are! This doesn't show how steep this is though on video, hey?
It's so steep. Like I nearly need to walk sideways.
Yeah. Yeah, if you look at your feet, how like back they are, like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah. Holy shitballs. Like brand new doll?
They will be.
I didn't even know. We did it.
Barely. We survived.
We survived.
Both of us had a snack.
I feel like, yeah, we both fell over because it was super muddy. Like,
I fell in the dry. In the rocks just went out from under me.
so nice.
Yeah.
Anyway, but now we're going to the pub for Origin.
Go New South Wales.
Go to Blues!